A variety of accessories for the additional sealing functions are included with each vacuum drawer. For easy access, these accessories are conveniently stored in the vacuum sealing platform. The vacuum sealing platform is used for sealing flat foods inside the drawer and for storing the additional accessories. It is also designed with a slant, so when marinating foods with liquid, the liquid does not come into contact with the seal bar. The external vacuuming adapter is to attach to the air outlet on the drawer when vacuuming bottles and vacuum sealing containers. Bottle caps for attaching to bottles for vacuuming. A bottle adapter for connecting bottle caps to the vacuum hose. A vacuum hose for attaching the external vacuuming adapter to the bottles and for your own vacuum storage containers. 100 BPA-free vacuum sealing bags in 2 sizes. The vacuuming bags from Gaggenau are temperature resistant from -41 degrees Fahrenheit for freezing and up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for cooking in the highest sous vide setting in the combi steam oven. And when sealed with level 1 heat seal, can be opened and resealed numerous times. And vacuum containers not sold by Gaggenau can be sealed outside the chamber with the included vacuuming hose attachment. Cleaning and maintenance tips. The vacuuming drawer and all accessories should only be cleaned with warm soapy water. All accessories should be hand washed, not cleaned in the dishwasher. To avoid damaging the unit, no spray cleaners or abrasive sponges or cloths should be used for cleaning. Drying process function. This function is designed to extract minimal amounts of water that enter the vacuum pump system during the vacuum sealing process. When the drying symbol lights in white, this is to alert you that the function needs to be activated. However, the machine can still be used at this time. When the drying symbol lights red, this is to alert you that the function needs to be activated immediately. To activate the function, close the lid and hold it while touching the drying symbol for a few seconds, and then release. The process will run between 5 to 20 minutes as determined by the sensors. If an additional drying cycle is needed, the drying symbol will again light up in red, together with an orange alert. Wait until the orange alert no longer lights up, then repeat the drying process. Detailed information and more tips for using your Gaggenau vacuum drawer can be found in the product user guide. Vacuum sealing for food preservation has many benefits, and you can see how the Gaggenau vacuuming drawer has even more features that complement the Gaggenau appliances and simplifies both cooking and storage.